Hello, my name is Jonathan, and in this short video I will explain what you can expect from an individual class with me. I have more than 20 years experience in teaching, specifically conversation teaching. So, what is my philosophy? Basically, if you want to learn a language, you have to speak a language. The best way to learn a language is to speak a language. There is no secret, there is no new method. It is very simple. The more you speak, the more you progress. So, in your first class, I will ask you questions and I will adapt the level of the class to your level of English. Okay? And as you speak English, I will let you speak. I will not stop you. I will not correct you. I will write some things on the board. For example, the difference between these words. And when you finish speaking, we will look at these aspects and we will talk about these aspects. I will also suggest different ways of expressing yourself, different ways of communicating. So what am I offering? An individual class which is adapted to your level, and also it is adapted to your needs. Do you want English for travel, for tourism, as a hobby? No problem. Do you need English for your work? I can help you. We can talk about your needs, what you expect, and what you want from me. Do you need something very specific, a presentation, to prepare for a speaking exam? Perfect. All of this is possible. You only need to tell me what you expect, and I can adapt my class easily for that. So I am sure that after one class you will be happy and that you will return for more classes. And so I look forward to seeing you in class soon.